Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 39. How to add a structured snippet extension. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add a structured snippet extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select Ads and Extensions and click on Extensions from the top. Then click on View Site Link Extensions button and select Structured Snippet Extensions from the list. Now click on Create Add Extension button. Here click on this Add New Structured Snippet Extension link, then enter your header, choose from this list. Next, fill your values with your brand and you can add more or remove extra from here. Here you also have selected days and hours options, click on it. Here you need to enter more details like time zone and display time and then click on Save button. So this is how you can add a structured snippet extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 40. How to add callout extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add callout extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.